Here, let's just go through it. So basically, this is the new AlgoBars AI trading platform. Right here, when you open it up, this is the AI chat where you can say anything from very simple commands all the way up to very, very complex building automated strategies and everything in between. So we can start off very simply by saying, open up the BTC chart on range bars. Now, there we go. It'll open up the chart for you. And then, for example, let's say we want to do candlestick analysis. So we can very simply say, do full analysis on the chart I have open. Now, all of the time and effort that people spend doing technical analysis, it basically just does it for you. So it finds like the lows, the highs, the bearish rejection, all of the different things that, traders spend hours and hours trying to just do on their own. You can see right here, golden cross, it's labeled it. And then it gives you a full analysis as well. So you can read through it to see exactly, what the market's doing, next moves to watch, all of these things. Let's close this analysis. And then we can even build strategies right through the chat. So build me low risk, profitable strategy and only show me when it's actually profitable. Let's see what it does. And then in the meantime, right here, you have all your controls, indicators, tools, different charting types. There we go. So it came up with this strategy that's profitable, 41% win rate, low risk, but it's still profitable. So if we want, all we need to do is click deploy now, click OK. And now this strategy is deployed on your live account. Now it's going to fully automatically, it's going to monitor the market. And then once these variables have been met, it'll just start to open the trades. So in order to see that, we just go, the menu is right here on the left side. We can open positions. This is our positions right here, pending, history, all of those. Wallet is right here, trade risk calculator. So let's go to Algo Builder. Okay, so over here in Algo Builder, we can see under deployments, this is the strategy that it just made. We can stop it, or we can deploy it again. You can also build alerts through the chat. So alert me when the RSI on BTC is above 70 or whatever you want. And then you could go to alerts and it'll alert you right in the chat here. You can build custom indicators as well. So you can say, build me a custom indicator that's a mix of whatever, RSI, Bollinger Bands, EMA, SMA, whatever, and it'll build a fully custom indicator that you can actually use on the chart. So here, I'll show you one of these custom indicators that we made. This one's called RSI Fusion Pro. So you can see it basically prints yellow dots at the bottom when it notices the market is at its lows, and it shows these purple dots when it shows that the markets are at the top. So this is one that we completely built custom, and there's actually no limit. And we don't really know what the limit is for this. So it really just comes down to how good you are at communicating what you want through the chat. So the chat is fully able to do everything as long as you tell it. So it can open trades, it can build strategies, alerts, indicators, analyze the market, etc. You can even ask it like if you want to, for example, like I want to deposit BTC, it'll pull your wallet address to deposit into your live account. So it can basically help you through everything and anything that you ask it when it comes to trading on AlgoBars. We have our ghost mode on here, which hides the orders from the market, from the order books. We have AlgoSocial, where you can publish your strategies, AlgoBuilder, where you can basically type in any strategy you want now, and then select your parameters like on BTC 1 minute. Now, here's the thing that you can also do here. You can change your chart type. So this is the first time now where you can do a backtest on a range bars chart type. So for example, enter when range bars reverse, for example. Okay, and then let's just do stop loss and take profit at 100. Let's click build. All right, now it's just going to build it. Now that it's built it, let's do live replay and test. There we go. So now it's testing the strategy. It's going pretty fast, but Hopefully you guys can see that. I'll close this. There we go. So there's that strategy built on the range bars. You can see this just did it on one day because we set it to a $10,000 account for the test. And you can see that it did about 13% return before the automated fees and before the broker fees. But that's a pretty good strategy. You can see 64% win rate on this trade. It took 45 trades. So once you have this, then very simply you can save your strategy and then you go to deployments and you just click deploy. So that's how that works. Right here, we can always say run a trade check. And what that does is it checks a whole bunch of different variables, technicals and fundamentals on the market. And then it gives you rating either on the bearish side or the bullish side, where it shows, whether we're looking at bullish market or bearish. If I click full report, you can see what it's analyzing, trends, RSI, EMAs, all of these things. And then right here, according to that, then you can enter a trade. You can set your risk percentage, whatever you want, stop loss, take profit. Then you can click enter buy trade, and it will actually take that trade. So let's just do that. There we go. Now that trade is open according to the trade check. So that's how you can run these trade checks on any market, and it'll print those out right away. And then right here, if we click modular, what we can do is we're actually able to fully set up our workspace exactly how we want. So let's say you like things a certain way. You can kind of just move this around, set it exactly how you want, just like this. If we go to scanner here, we can highlight any of these, for example, doji or engulfing or whatever you want. All of these things are completely, like through trade check. It looks at all of these things. So it's actually fully connected and fully integrated to everything. And there's so many more features and functions inside AlgoBars. It's truly the fastest, most robust, user-friendly platform in the world and will drastically revolutionize your trading expertise more than you could have ever imagined. For pennies, you can automate trading systems. Never before could you build and deploy strategies totally from scratch without a coder or experience, all for the cost of less than a cup of coffee. You really need to log in and start using AlgoBars right away.